Hey everyone, how are you? If you want to buy latest and the best gadget of this year, then you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the greatest gadget of this year. Today we are here with an interesting video. Now I will make video on gaming monitor of 2024. If you like the product and want to buy the products, you need to go through the link which is in the description box. Product 1: Z-Edge 27-inch curved gaming monitor. The Z-Edge 27-inch curved gaming monitor offers an immersive gaming experience with its curved design and high-performance specifications. With a 16:9 aspect ratio and a resolution of 1920 x 1080, it delivers crisp and clear visuals, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Its high refresh rate of 200 Hz, 144 Hz native ensures smooth gameplay, reducing motion blur and providing a competitive edge to gamers. The monitor boasts a fast response time of 1 millisecond, minimizing input lag and ghosting effects, which are crucial for fast-paced gaming sessions. Additionally, it features AMD FreeSync Premium technology, which synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with the graphics card's output, resulting in tear-free gameplay and enhanced fluidity. The frameless LED display not only enhances the aesthetics, but also reduces distractions, allowing gamers to focus solely on the action on the screen. Moreover, Product name Sceptre Curved 24.5-inch gaming monitor. The Sceptre Curved 24.5-inch gaming monitor, also known as the C255BFWT240, offers gamers a high-performance display with advanced features tailored to enhance gaming experiences. With a curved screen design, this monitor immerses users into their gaming worlds, providing a more engaging and immersive viewing experience. The 24.5-inch display size is ideal for gaming setups, offering a balance between screen real estate and desktop space. One of the standout features of this monitor is its impressive refresh rate of up to 240 Hz, which ensures smooth and fluid motion during fast-paced gaming sequences. Combined with a 1080p resolution, gamers can enjoy crisp and detailed visuals without sacrificing performance. The monitor's 1 millisecond response time minimizes motion blur and ghosting, allowing for precise and responsive gameplay. This is particularly crucial in competitive gaming scenarios where split-second reactions can make all the difference. Connectivity options include DisplayPort X2 and HDMI X2, providing flexibility for users to connect multiple devices simultaneously. Additionally, the inclusion of built-in speakers eliminates the need for external audio peripherals, streamlining the gaming setup. Furthermore, the monitor features blue light shift technology, which reduces blue light emissions to minimize eye strain during extended gaming sessions. This prioritizes user comfort without compromising on visual quality. Product 3: Product name AOC 24G15N24 Gaming monitor. The AOC 24G15N24 gaming monitor is a high-performance display designed specifically for gamers, offering an immersive gaming experience with its impressive specifications and features. With a full HD resolution of 1920 x 1080, it delivers crisp and clear visuals, ensuring that every detail in your games is sharp and vivid. One of the standout features of this monitor is its high refresh rate of 180 Hz, combined with a rapid 1 millisecond response time. This results in smooth, fluid gameplay with minimal motion blur, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming genres such as first-person shooters and racing games. Connectivity options include 1x HDMI 2.0 port and 1x DisplayPort, providing flexibility for connecting to various gaming devices such as gaming consoles, PCs, and laptops. The monitor also boasts a three-sided frameless design, maximizing the screen real estate and enhancing the AMD FreeSync technology, which synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with the graphics card's frame rate, reducing screen tearing and stuttering for a seamless gaming experience. Furthermore, the monitor is HDR ready, allowing for enhanced contrast and color accuracy, which brings out more vibrant and lifelike visuals in supported games and media content. In terms of durability and reliability, the AOC 24G15N comes with a 3-year Product 4: Product name InnoView 32 Curved Gaming Monitor. The InnoView 32 Curved Gaming Monitor is a high-performance display designed specifically for gamers seeking an immersive and visually stunning experience. Boasting a 32-inch curved screen with a resolution of 1440p QHD, This monitor offers crisp and detailed visuals that enhance gaming, multimedia, and productivity tasks. One of the standout features of the InnoView 32 Curve gaming monitor is its impressive refresh rate of 240Hz, providing ultra-smooth gameplay with minimal motion blur and tearing. Coupled with a fast response time of 1 millisecond, gamers can enjoy responsive and fluid visuals, crucial for competitive gaming where split-second reactions can make all the difference. Furthermore, this monitor supports AMD FreeSync technology, which synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with the frame rate of compatible graphics cards, resulting in tear-free gaming and smoother performance. The inclusion of HDR10 support ensures vibrant colors and including DisplayPort and HDMI inputs, providing flexibility for connecting to various devices such as gaming PCs, consoles, and more. Product 5 AUX C32G232 Curved Frameless Gaming Monitor. The AUX C32G232 Curved Frameless Gaming Monitor is a high-performance display tailored for gamers seeking immersive visuals and smooth gameplay experiences. With its 32-inch Full HD FHD screen and 1500R curvature, this monitor wraps around your field of view, enhancing the sense of depth and immersion. Equipped with a VI panel, it delivers rich and vibrant colors, while its 1 millisecond response time ensures minimal motion blur, crucial for fast-paced gaming. The impressive 165Hz refresh rate further enhances fluidity and responsiveness, making it suitable for competitive gaming where split-second reactions matter. The inclusion of FreeSync technology synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with compatible graphics cards, reducing screen tearing and stuttering for seamless gameplay. Moreover, its frameless design maximizes the viewing area, creating a sleek and modern aesthetic. A notable feature is its height zero dead pixel policy provides peace of mind, ensuring quality and reliability.